Hey guys, good morning. Well, good afternoon. I'm talking about good morning, good afternoon. Ah, it has been a wonderful day, and I am here for it. I am here for it. Let's see, let me go in here and turn this down. So, it is still hard. So, what is going on? Facebook. Okay. It is still, we're still in the month of October, so this month is jam packed with health. You have this is Happy Hormones Month. Well, I call it Happy Hormones for Hormones Month. You have heart health, um, breast cancer, all the things. This is jam packed with a lot of good nutritional or awareness in this month. And I wanted to still talk about heart health, and I was doing some studying. You guys know I'm a PhD student working on this PhD, and so close, so close. I think when I did my update, because I'm a project manager by education and professional. So that was my last corporate job as project manager. My MBA concentration is project management, and I say that. Thanks for joining me, Jasmine Civil. Civil. I say that because I'm always a project manager. Everything gets to be managed like a project. So I have a timeline for my PhD. So I track everything in the spreadsheet. And when I updated my spreadsheet this weekend, I think I'm at 65% of completing, meaning I've completed so many classes, and I'm at 65. I'm working on two classes right now, two classes together. So I should be well at 75%, if not more, after these two classes, and I'm halfway through them. So, woohoo! Hey, Melvin. Woohoo! Thank you guys for joining me. So, but I want to share with you guys. So, as I was studying, looking at some of the content that I get to read and write about, and I came across this case study, and it said didn't see that coming. So this is for my ladies and my guys. Didn't see that coming I'm gonna read too. So if I look down, it's because I'm looking at my notes, because I made some notes. When a woman risk is greater than she think, meaning for a heart attack, chest pains. So it may look different for us women. um, the symptoms is truly different for women than men. Chest pains, cold sweats, um, light headaches or lightheaded, or dizziness or fatigue. But in upper body aches, discomfort, upper body discomfort. These are some of the signs. Difficult breathing. I said fatigue, nausea, stomach ache, vomiting. Be surprised, vomiting. I had a cousin, God rest her soul. This was years ago. Um, Family reunion was over. Went home. She thought she had a stomach ache. She was she was having a massive heart attack. She died. Like I said, God rest her soul. But she was over the commode vomiting. But she was having a massive heart attack. On the way home, she thought she thought it was a stomach ache. It looks different for us ladies. The signs and the symptoms looks different for us. So fatigue, nausea. Also, the signs can be dangerous. Like I said, it could be dangerous. So I want to share that with you. It says a stroke may also show up difficult and cause more lasting damage in women than men. That is true. That is so true. I am passionate about heart health because my grandmother, God rest her soul, and who was my best friend, was probably my only friend for so long, for so many years, died of a heart attack. And she didn't have to. She did not have to. She was a heart patient, and the signs were different. Hers was, she thought she had gas. Now, when her very first heart attack, she thought she was having gas pains. She thought it was acid reflux. At that particular time, years ago, they didn't know what acid reflux, so they called it heartburns. That's what she thought she was having. But her very first heart attack, she thought it was gas, and she was having a heart attack. We got her, my auntie and family members got her to the hospital quickly. But what I'm saying to you guys, ladies, it looks different for us. So pay attention, be aware, be present. It looks different for us. I encourage you to write this down. And stroke the damage is different for us. It says here in my article I'm reading, it says lasting damage in women. Stroke may also shows up differently and cause more lasting damage in women than men. This is from the case study. This is evidence. This has been a study that's been proven. Here's what women should know about how their risks or signs of heart attack or stroke or arteries may be different than men. I just gave you some of the signs and some of the symptoms that my sisters need to be looking out for. Smoking can cause you to have heart problems or stroke. High cholesterol levels can cause heart disease or stroke. High blood pressure. Family history, overweight, obesity, diabetes. These are things that can cause you to have heart disease, high blood pressure, these are the things, ladies, and guys too, but I'm talking to my ladies today. So it says here, I'm reading from the study that I am using to write, of course you guys know I gotta write papers and stuff like that, so this is one of the, I'm digging deep, guys. I'm digging deep for my peer reviews and all that, and I love it. It's all what I thank God for. Okay, so I digress. It's one of the signs that women may be having a heart attack can be quite different from, for example, I gave you the examples like nausea, fatigue, and all those things, dizziness, jaw neck, can you believe a jaw neck? It says upper body pain, and one of the symptoms can be tied to stress, ladies. Also, what I found in this article that I'm talking about, what it says, more women thought that they would have to deal with breast cancer, versus heart disease or stroke or heart attack. It says, but by age 55, heart disease death surpassed breast cancer death. And after age 75, heart disease killed 8 times more women than breast cancer. Wow. And they said more women thought that they had to deal with or be aware or be more concerned about breast cancer than heart disease or heart attack or stroke. This was very eye-opening for me. And that's what it says. Many women think that it's a man. Many women, this right here, many women think that this is a man disease. Many women think that this is a man disease and that it can't happen to them. That is not true, ladies. That is not true. That is not true. So I want to leave you guys with this. Write this down. The first, chest pains or discomfort. That's sign number 1. Upper pain, discomfort. Unusual upper pains, discomfort. Shorten of breath. Breathing out and in, sweating, having just sweating. Cold sweats, hot sweats. Okay, that's 4. Unusual, unexpected fatigue, fatigue, tiredness. You're tired all the time. Lightheaded or sudden dizziness. Okay. That's 6. And 7, nausea, feeling sick to your stomach. You just heard me give you my story about my cousin feeling sick to her stomach. Those are 7 signs. 7 signs. These symptoms symptoms are heart can be related to heart attack in men and women, but women are more likely than men to report upper body discomfort, difficulty and breathing and fatigue or nausea. Stress is also more likely to trigger a heart attack in women. Okay, ladies, I'm done. I'm closing the book. You heard it here, and I'm bringing this because it's Heart Health Month, cardiovascular awareness. And I want you guys to be aware of the signs, ladies, because you heard the title. Didn't see that coming. Did not see that coming. And far too many of us don't see it coming because we don't think it can happen to us. And we, as women, are the stress barrier. We carry the stress. We wake up with the stress. We carry it all day. We sleep with the stress. Not anymore. We don't get to do that, guys. We get to release the stress. And the thing is, you may not even know that you have stress. I was that person. I had a demanding job. You probably heard me say far too many times. I had a demanding job. I was in a toxic relationship, married to a toxic relationship. To be honest with you, married to a just didn't serve me, and I was stressed, trying to be in upper management and have a peaceful home did not work. And I was running back and forth to the doctor, and I was healthy. I did all the things that I needed to do, and it was the stress. And thank God for a doctor who was honest with me, a doctor who saw me for who I was and not just a bill, because he could have kept building me and just sending me on a roller coaster, but he did not. He set me down. He said, and he was very honest with me. So praise God for him, because he was the one that said, you may not realize this, but you are stressed. And when I sat back and really took a look, he was right. Stress can be underlying. That's why it's called a silent killer. So ladies, I pray that you took notes. You use this information. Take a very good look. Get naked with yourself. When I say not physically, I mean really raw with yourself, and see you for where you at today. And I'm not saying any of this is you. I'm just bringing awareness to you, because this is what this is, Awareness Month. And I want you guys to be aware of the signs. And if you have stress in your life, put a strategy together to remove it. And what I say by that is, start looking at where you at, what's adding, what stress has been added to you, so you can actually find ways to get have a more peaceful balance. So I just wanted to come in here. This is Mindful Monday, and wanted to share that with you guys, and share what I have just, oh my gosh, it was an eye-opener. There were some things I knew, and there were some things I learned in this study as well. And and if any of you are just looking for a consultation, just reach out to me. I do have a discount link for a coaching call, and I will be glad to see how I can help you put a strategy together. So I will see you guys later this week. I'll be back later this week. Oh, also Thursday, I'm going live on my YouTube channel, and I'm excited about this because it's vegetarian month as well. I'm going live on my YouTube channel to talk about the different levels of vegetarian. So you might want to definitely tune in and learn and see where you can fit in at, and get some tips as well. So I will see you guys Thursday, and enjoy the rest of your day. I get to go, and I get to finish this contract. I have a contract that I'm getting ready for a new client. She's doing a 6 months program with me, so I get to finish this contract with her, and then I get to study. And I say that because after I eat, I get to study. Hope you guys saw. Hope you saw my soup that I made. It is so good. I tasted last night. I haven't had any. I tasted last night. It was so good. But I did have the snack, and it was so good. I'll show the video of the snack. So anyway, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.